Hey there Team Breakthrough, this is Caleb and I'm going to quickly walk you through the process of making a breakthrough style document using the templates that are provided online, and this will enable you to make documents that are all have consistent branding across everything we produce and all have the breakthrough style. So the first thing we're going to do is open your web browser, go to our website breakthrough.org.au and then put /style. This will take you to our style page, which has all the resources and everything you need for making breakthrough themed documents or graphics. It's definitely worth having a look at our style guide, the first link there. This will open a PDF which gives you an overview of our style guide, how we create documents and graphics, what colors to use, and all the specifics that you'll need there. So definitely have a quick read through of that. What we're going to work with today is these templates. We've got Microsoft Word templates, but before we use them, we're first going to make sure that you have the fonts downloaded and installed. If you've done this before, then that's fine, you don't need to do it again. But if you haven't installed the Breakthrough fonts before, click on this link here. It'll open up a Dropbox that has the two fonts that we use primarily, Bebas New and Avenir Next Lite. And I'll quickly show you how to install those. So we'll do Bebas New as an example. Open that there, and I'm going to directly download that. You can see that that's done. Creates a zip folder in my downloads. I open that and I see here I've got the 5 variations of Bebas New. Now if you're on a Mac, the way to install those is to simply select them, double click, it'll bring them up here and click on Install Font. That will install them on your computer. You see mine will pop up with an issue which is saying they're a duplicate font. I've already got those, so in that case I will delete that, but they should then be installed on your computer. If you're on a Windows PC, again the process is quite similar. You're going to right click them and say install font. So once we've got the fonts installed, our next step is that we're going to download the template that we'll use. So we'll go to our Microsoft Word templates. That'll take us to this page here, and you can see here we've got a range of templates depending on what department it's for and what color scheme we have. We've got our general breakthrough green template there for anything that's just breakthrough themed, or team breakthrough, or bridge, creative, and so on. Let's use this one. Let's pretend we're making an Ablaze document. Actually, let's use this one. We'll make a Super Kids document. So I'm going to click on that, download that, and again that's now in my downloads. Open that up and it will look something like this. Thinking about it. Let's just try that again. There we go. So you'll see a document which is something like this. So this is simply a template for you to use for how to generate your document. You've got a title page here using our breakthrough style with our icon, the gradient over a photo. You've got the Super Kids logo on this one because it's a Super Kids document. Then we've got our text over here with another photo as well. So you can go through and change any of this text that you like. So you might want to call the document How to Teach Kids, which we're going to learn today. Put your subtitle in there. Over here, put the first heading is that kids make mess, and then put your subheading is whatever else you want to do. As you go through the document, this is just sample text. You can type in whatever else you want, and you can see that up here you have these styles that have already been created. So we've got our heading 1 to match this, heading 2 for a subheading, or our body text. So we'd say this text here, that's just some body text, so it'll look like that. This is a heading, and this is the subheading. This is the text. So when we select the heading, we can make it heading 1. Subheading can be heading 2, and the text is body text already. So you can go through and use that to work with, and it will be nice and easy for you to make whatever you want. The other thing we'd love to encourage you to do is to include pictures. You'll see in the style guide that a big part of the graphics we make at Breakthrough is images. So I would encourage you to use images in your documents. So you can see here one big image you'll have is this one behind the title, and that's quite easy to change. All we're going to do here is grab the top layer of the title, drag it down. I suggest hold down the Shift key while you do this, so it just drags it directly down. You now have access to the image behind. We're going to right click that and simply say change picture. And you can then go through any files that you have on your computer and change them into that image. Now you might think I don't have breakthrough pictures on my computer, which is probably quite normal. So for that, we're going to go back to our web browser. Go here to Fluoro. www.fluoro.io. Log in. So every person as a member of Team Breakthrough, you should have login details. I already put one in. It says, "Hi Caleb, welcome to Breakthrough Church." Go to All Apps, scroll down here to Fluoro Photos, and here you will have access to all our Breakthrough photo library. So here you can look through specific events that have happened at Breakthrough, or you can look through all the Breakthrough photos. There are many, many in there. Or you can type in what you're searching for. So we're doing Super Kids, so I want to look for all the photos of Super Kids, and here's some of the recent kids photos. So I might see that. Here's a good shot of Noah. I'm going to make him the background. So I'm going to open that picture, download it. That's now saved in my downloads. So I come back to my Word document, right click on that, change picture, and to my downloads, sort them by the date added, and right up the top there's Noah. Insert that, and there he is. Now you might also notice that Noah's a little bit too far over to the side. You can do all sorts of things with this picture. You can resize it if you like. What will happen though is it's going to not show you any of the picture that's outside the boundary of where it's allowed to go. So you can see there's more of the picture over here, but we can't see that because it's outside the boundary. So what I'm going to do here is drag it down so it fills up the whole space. So that's nice and big there. And then come up here to picture format, click on crop, and crop the side of it in so that it shifts the whole picture to the left. And now he's sitting there nicely in the middle. So you'll notice that the picture will always be pushed to the top and to the left. So you can crop off as much as you need of the left to pull it across to get what you need centered, basically. Once we're happy with that, I'm going to pull my top layer back up. So that's now in line again. And there we have our new background. We've put a picture in there as an example for you as well. There's Noah again, he's the face of everything today. But you can, again, change that picture or simply choose to add more. So you can put a picture in there, put pictures in amongst your text because we love to see smiling, happy faces as part of the Breakthrough brand. Once you've done all that and you're happy with your document, so that's all finished, I'm happy, I'm going to save it. So we go File, Save, and then save it wherever you want as whatever you want. So I'll call this How to Teach Kids. Choose a location for it. And there you have your Breakthrough document formatted and ready to go. Thank you for watching.